Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you an icon in the luxury automotive world, the Rolls-Royce Phantom. But not just any Phantom, a Mansory body kit Phantom. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the ultimate symbol of automotive luxury. For over a century, it has carried royalty, presidents, CEOs, and some of the most notable people on Earth. This vehicle is considered by many to be the world's most luxurious production car, combining hand craftsmanship with engineering that feels designed to make every drive feel effortless. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is already one of the most exclusive luxury cars in the world, but this one, Mansory took it a step further, transforming it into something even more exclusive. And although the exterior of this car is absolutely gorgeous, the interior is where the luxury really happens. And this car is a 6.7 liter V12 producing 563 horsepower. So what is there not to love about it? If you're interested in buying this Rolls-Royce or any car of your dreams, contact Michaela Binion at the Mercedes-Benz of Buckhead. They won't let you down. But now let's get into why this car is so luxurious. So first of all, starting with the exterior of this car, I mean, hello, this is a Rolls-Royce Phantom. This thing screams an aggressive stance, but it still keeps it timeless and luxurious. We have a huge grille in the front and of course, the notable Rolls-Royce plaque right here. Now, if you are familiar with Rolls-Royce at all, you know that this is the spirit of ecstasy. And if someone actually tries to steal it, it will retract on its own. But since this isn't just any Rolls-Royce Phantom, this has an entire Mansory body kit on it. So, to go over a few of its features of what that includes, it has a full forged carbon hood. I mean, this thing is literally one of the coolest hoods that I've ever seen. And it doesn't stop there. It also has a front lip that is also entirely made out of forged carbon. As we move along the side of the car, we also notice these Mansory rims as well. These are 24-inch forged edition rims. These are absolutely stunning and it definitely elevates the look of the car. And then as we move along the sides, we also have completely forged carbon side skirts as well, and we have a Mansory badge right here next to the Rolls-Royce badge, of course. The rear of this car is also equally as beautiful as the Mansory kit continues over here as well. As you can see, we have a completely forged carbon rear spoiler as well and rear visor, and it even has the Mansory logo right there as well. Now, something I typically don't show in my reviews is the trunk, but I'm going to show you guys just so that you can see something really cool that I noticed. Isn't that just absolutely stunning? You have double R's. Now, a Phantom can actually have up to 20 layers of paint, and it has hand polishing that can take days, and even hand-painted coach lines, which is often by one singular artist. One of the goals in mind when engineering the Phantom was to actually make you feel like you are riding on air, almost like a magic carpet ride. And that's exactly what they call this. The Magic Carpet Ride system uses air suspension and adaptive dampers, even cameras that scan the road ahead of you so you can prepare the suspension before you hit those bumps. Now, before I show you guys the interior, I do want you to notice these door handles. As you can see, this looks very different from the standard car. So typically, the door handles are found towards the edge of the door frame, but these are actually found kind of in the middle of the B-pillar. And also, you may notice this button right here. Upon opening the door, it will open up for you. And the greatest thing is that you can even close it at the touch of that button as well. If you see, I'll press and hold it and completely let go, and it actually moves on its own, which is quite insane and it screams luxury. To be honest, that would even be a reason that I consider buying this car, is simply just not having to open up the doors myself. Now, looking at an overview of this interior, this build quality is absolutely insane. These rear coach doors are designed specifically so that it makes it easier to get into the vehicle. And just when you thought these doors could not get any cooler, it actually carries an umbrella right here on every single rear door. Here's what an overview of the interior looks like with both doors completely open. And honestly, this is so welcome and inviting, kind of like honestly house doors, like any pair of double doors. I love the way that they open up and the way that they close as well. As we move to the interior of this vehicle, the comfort even greets at your feet. So they actually give you an entire little pillow for your shoes and it feels amazing. I'm now going to show you guys how it sounds to start up the Rolls-Royce Phantom. Although this car is built for luxury and not for performance, I do want to go ahead and show you guys how this car sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and place the mic right next to the exhaust. So as you can see, there are plenty of cars that may be louder than this, have more pops and bangs than this, but there are not many cars that will drive as smoothly as this. Here's an overview of what the front looks like, and this is absolutely stunning. Even the steering wheel, it is so easy to turn the steering wheel. I'm barely putting any pressure, and it is just so effortless to drive. And it's because they want this car to feel effortless to drive. I love all the physical buttons that this car has. I feel like a lot of companies in the automotive world are moving solely towards digital, but I love how this car still keeps that. It's very classy and very timeless. Even to get to even more select knobs, it is still mechanical. And look how effortless and beautiful that design is. And you still have the spirit of ecstasy right here. Also, this car is so mechanically driven forward that watch what happens when I try and touch the screen. It's actually not even touchscreen. You have to use this knob to be able to navigate it. From this cluster of controls as well, you can raise or lower the suspension, and you can also look at the camera features. You can even raise and lower the spirit of ecstasy from the interior. One of the most iconic features on any Rolls-Royce has got to be the starlit roof. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. So using this button right here, you're able to turn it on and off. Now let's step into the rear passenger side. This is where you want to be if you are in this car. Look at all of this legroom. Like, this is absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, these doors, I don't know how I'm ever gonna close it. Oh wait, there's literally a button right here. It'll close the door for you automatically. So if I want to see this starlit roof, but I'm not sitting in the front, I actually have my own controls back here as well. And it is absolutely gorgeous. There's even shooting stars in this. You even have your own sunshade in the back as well. Like, if that does not scream luxury, I don't know what else would. You also have your seat controls right here. You can adjust your headrest, backrest, and leg rest as well. And if we open this up, it gives you that same knob that we saw in the front as well. And the seats are fully adjustable, as I mentioned, and very, very comfortable. Right here, you're able to open the door and also raise or lower the volume of the entire car. You even have your own climate control back here on the doors as well. Just to give you guys a glimpse of how much space there is back here, I'm literally extending my entire arm out and there is so much space. There's even options that you can get where you can have your own tray right here where you can work on your laptop or eat, and you can even have a footrest below. This is the ultimate passenger experience before you step into a limousine. So, is the Rolls-Royce Phantom with a Mansory body kit worth it? Well, I think price may be a factor in that. A base model Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at about $520,000. A Mansory kit alone can cost well over $150,000. Considering paint, options for exterior, interior, and rims, and anything else that you would like to customize on the Rolls-Royce, most builds leave the factory at over $600,000. Now, if you were to get a Mansory package that was beyond cosmetic, so this body kit is aesthetics only. All the forged carbon that you see, it doesn't make it faster or anything like that. But if you were to adjust the exhaust, the engine, anything beyond cosmetic, a Mansory package on a Rolls-Royce Phantom can get you well into close to $1 million for just the car. So with all of that in mind, do you guys think this car is worth it? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. And also let me know what type of car you guys would like to see next. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video. If you want to see more, or if you like this at all, please make sure to subscribe. It really does help me out. Leave a like if you enjoyed, but most of all, follow God, follow your heart, do what's good in this world, be the good in this world, and I promise you that good is going to come right back to you. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.